Complete customer orders are grouped together here in the pack-out staging area, where IAC's quality assurance personnel inspect the products yet another time and confirm that all pieces that comprise an order are present and accounted for. This includes assuring that all necessary hardware kits and assembly instructions are ready to be packed along with the other components. Most IAC workbenches are shipped knocked down because it is less expensive to transport them this way. The folks at IAC understand the types of abuse that packages may be subjected to during the shipping process. For this reason, they take extraordinary steps to protect your purchase before it ships from the factory. Packing begins with the bottom half of a heavy-weighted corrugated carton, into which are positioned the workstation components, along with the bagged assembly hardware and assembly instructions. Multiple layers of protective foam sheets are used to protect against chafing during shipping. The carton travels to the two-part expanding foam injector. Before the carton top is put in place, box reinforcements are positioned on two sides. These provide added structural support and protection against crushing when cartons are stacked. Form-fitting plastic protective sheeting is then carefully laid over and around the parts to protect the components as the foam is applied. The foam expands and fills the voids around the parts, trapping them in place within the carton. Components won't rattle or move around in the carton during transit. With the carton top in place, the packages are strapped securely and stacked on custom-made pallets. IAC actually makes their pallets on site. The many different sizes needed is one of the reasons for making their own, yet a more important reason is the ability to make those pallets oversize. When the pallets are oversized, there is less chance that IAC packages will come in contact with adjacent packages on other pallets during transit. It's a small thing that IAC customers rarely notice, but they sure appreciate it when their workbenches arrive undamaged. IAC uses only plastic strapping to secure packages to the pallets. We do this to prevent crushing. Unlike metal bands used by some companies, plastic strapping will snap if over-tightened before crushing the packaging and possibly damaging the product. Metal straps can do serious damage to products inside the packaging if over-tightened or with load shifts during transit. After strapping, the packages are wrapped in IAC-branded plastic wrap. Once again, another small detail that helps protect the customer. If a shipment is delivered to a customer with anything but IAC-branded plastic wrap, it is a safe assumption that the pallet was broken down during transit and re-wrapped by the carrier. This is usually an indication of mishandling by the carrier.